friendly reminder to drink your lemon water every morning on an empty stomach. Hello my beautiful little bumblebees. Today I am coming at you with a bare face once again. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be trying out another foundation. Today's foundation that we're going to be trying out is the Soap&Glory Kickass All Day Wear Foundation. It is no secret that I love the Taylor. Like, she is my all-time favorite. I almost said foundation. My all-time favorite YouTuber to watch. I never get tired of watching her. It is relevant to this video because she's obsessed with the CYO Life Proof Foundation and I have never been able to get my hands on it. Again, that's relevant to this video because the Taylor just did a video over the CYO Life Proof Foundation compared to the Soap&Glory Kickass Long All Day Wear Foundation, and they are apparently dupes. Have the same exact ingredient list to the T and have the same wear type, everything. So I ran right out and picked up this foundation so that I could finally try the beloved CYO Life Proof Foundation. Kind of. If you are new here, you may not know this, but I like to wear new foundations without any primer. I like to see how the foundation is going to wear by itself, and I know that that's probably not a very accurate representation because a lot of people wear primers every single day. I do not. My all-time favorite foundation that I have not been able to find anything to beat it is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation, and I did go over this in my last video where I tried out the Pacifica one. I do not wear a primer with this. I wear it all day long at work. It looks flawless when I'm done. It looks healthy, skin-like, dewy. It is perfect. I'm obsessed with it. But this video is not about this foundation. I just like to let you guys know that that is why I don't try foundations with primers, because I don't really wear primers and I do not wear it under my all-time favorite foundation. Also, if you're new here, I do like to try out a brush on one side and a sponge on the other so that I can see how it applies with both tools. Okay, so on to this foundation. This foundation retails for $16 in the US and it comes with a standard 1 fluid ounce. I will say this packaging is plastic and it comes with a pump, which is awesome. I always love a pump. It's so much easier to control. And a little more information about the canvas this is going on. My skin is more on the dry side. It is pretty normal to dry, but I do get a little bit oily on, like, right on my nose. What I'm looking for in a foundation is I want it to look healthy, dewy, skin-like, and I want it to not crease. I think we're ready to get started. Oh, I almost forgot. Look how cute my shirt is. Tats and cats. It's me in a shirt. My mom made this, so I just want to give a little promo. If you guys are looking for vinyl decals, shirts, signs, make sure to go and check out my mom's Facebook page. You can go like it. I'll have it linked down below. It's just called Al Vinyl Originals. So make sure to go and give some love to her, and you can look at ordering something. Wow, we are 14 minutes in and have not started applying this to our face. So the brush I'm going to use to apply it to one half of my face is the Morphe M439, but it definitely starts to run more towards the medium consistency. I will say right off the bat that the color is a little more on the pink side than what I tend to reach for my own skin. I do have kind of more yellowy undertone. This is looking a little more on the pink side. In the camera though, it doesn't look that bad. I'd say the foundation coverage is definitely sitting at medium. It did a really good job of covering up a lot of my freckles without it totally getting rid of them. So I'm pretty sure I zoomed you guys in, fixed the lighting, and never hit record again because my camera just acted like I didn't. So we started on the other half of my face, but some comments that I made was it's definitely a lighter medium coverage. It looks very skin-like. And like I said, I already started on the sponge side, so that was great. You've got this down, Bethany. At awe of how people think the sponge is faster than a brush. Like, I take forever with a sponge. Is that just me? I've already started doing a second layer, so this is just not, this is how today is going apparently. This is 2 layers on this side with the sponge. This is 1 layer on this side with the brush. You can definitely see a difference, but the reason why I immediately went in with 2 layers is because I was thinking, well, that's not giving like hardly any coverage. It's less in the brush, and then just kind of kept going. I'm gonna go in the other side with the sponge. Guys, this is looking pretty good. I've already got a little bit of creasing happening around the mouth, and I don't understand. Growing old is hard, says the 24-year-old. Right there. Right along here. But especially right there. I'm sure you guys are thinking, Bethany, that's the same spot that the other one creased, like the other foundation. Maybe you just have a creasy area. Maybe I do. However, this foundation doesn't crease there. It definitely looks pretty skin-like. I'm trying to like find a happy medium of zoomed. So other than that one little crease area, it is looking pretty good. I'm going to go and do the rest of my face. Check-in time is, we'll say 11:30. So we've got a long day of wearing this ahead of us, and we'll see how it wears. But I will be right back. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll check back in with you guys. We went full beat today, honestly. The time is now 12:05. So this is the look that I went for today. I went in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, throwback. Literally just dipped into pretty much all of the browns and just went crazy with the browns. After applying everything on it, it's looking actually really nice. I didn't have to set my cheek area at all. We still got that obnoxious little crease right there, a little bit right there, but this side, I mean, a little bit, but not bad. In terms of the finish, it looks super natural. I am going to set my face with a spray just to kind of maybe combat the creasing around my mouth. I'm going to first spray my Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water, and then on top of that, I'm going to spray my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe. This is my favorite combo to use when I want a little more dew. Much more dewy already, like very beautiful. But I'm gonna also go in with this one here. I don't hate it so far. Okay, so I will just check in with you guys later then. I changed, but I'm still wearing yellow. I got really cold. It is now pretty much 3 o'clock, and we started at 11:30, so it's been a few hours. I haven't really been doing much. I kind of cleaned up a little bit. I ate, and I filmed another video. Okay. Wow. Wait. This actually does look really good. It's definitely really warmed up to my skin. I would say I still have that little crease right there, but it's not gotten any worse. My forehead still looks about the same, but my skin just looks really good. It's definitely a really full coverage foundation after that second layer, but I don't feel like it looks cakey or anything. Really like the way it's looking right now. I will check in with you guys later. Like I said, it's almost 3 o'clock, so I'll see you in a few hours. Hello again, everyone. We are back and at that time of night where I need a ring light in order for you to see me properly. It is 7:54. Look how close my phone is to dying. Like we're down to like 9%. 11:30 to 8, so 9 hours now-ish. Definitely right in here, inward, is very oily. But even with as oily as it is, it's not broken down at all. Right here, it didn't get any worse. I really am liking the way that this is sitting on my skin, and it definitely lasted through the day. This right here is not bad at all. Definitely something you can combat with just wearing some primer. It looks super healthy and so nice, and I've definitely felt like super confident all day today. There is minimal creasing, there is a super like skin-like finish, and it looks like very like semi-dewy. I really like it. I think it's perfect. It's pretty much everything that I've looked for in a foundation. Absolutely wear this again and again. Like, so far, I love it. Alrighty guys, so that was my review on the Soap&Glory Kick-Ass All Day Wear Foundation. I highly recommend for anyone looking for a medium to full coverage foundation that's gonna last all day. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up just so that I know. If you guys are excited for some new videos coming in the future, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that my videos will show up in your subscription box, and it helps me as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. In the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys!